Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's been making headlines across the globe. China's automotive boom and its ripple effects on the global market. Buckle up, because this industry shift is driving some major changes you'll definitely want to hear about. First off, let's talk numbers. China isn't just making cars at a breakneck pace, they're also rapidly advancing in technology. By the end of this year, China is expected to produce over 25 million vehicles. That's nearly a third of the world's total automobile production. And it's not just quantity, it's quality too. Chinese automakers are investing heavily in electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and smart car technologies. The impact on global supply chains is staggering. With such a massive output, China now has significant control over essential raw materials like lithium and cobalt, which are crucial for EV batteries. This has caused a shift in the supply chain dynamics, pushing other countries to rethink their sourcing strategies. Many are now scrambling to secure alternative suppliers to avoid being overly dependent on China. Pricing is another area where China's automotive industry is making waves. The cost advantages of Chinese manufacturing are well known, and they're leveraging this to offer high-quality vehicles at competitive prices. This price competition is forcing global automakers to reconsider their pricing strategies and cost structures, but it's not all smooth driving. There are significant challenges too. Trade tensions and tariffs are creating uncertainties. For example, the ongoing US-China trade war has led to fluctuating tariffs on automotive parts, impacting costs and supply chain stability. Companies are finding it increasingly difficult to plan long-term strategies amid such volatility. Moving on to competition. Chinese brands are no longer just domestic players. They're aggressively expanding into international markets, especially in developing countries where the demand for affordable vehicles is high. Brands like BYD, Geely, and NIO are gaining traction and recognition worldwide. Established automakers are now facing tough competition from these emerging giants. The influence isn't limited to just car manufacturing. China's push for electric vehicles has spurred a global race for innovation. Companies worldwide are accelerating their R&D efforts to keep up. This has led to an explosion of new technologies, from advanced battery systems to cutting-edge autonomous driving features. So what does this mean for the future? For one, we can expect a more competitive global market. Companies will need to be agile and innovative to stay ahead. Also, the emphasis on sustainable and smart transportation is likely to grow, driven by China's ambitious goals. The automotive landscape is evolving, and those who adapt will thrive. In conclusion, China's automotive boom is more than just a local phenomenon, it's a global game changer. From supply chains to pricing, competition, and innovation, the ripple effects are vast and profound. As business professionals, staying informed and agile in response to these changes will be crucial. Thanks for tuning in, and stay ahead of the curve. Catch you in the next video.